Hello, trading is closed on April 6, 2018. I'd like to start off by thanking everyone who sent me nice emails. Wishing me well. One of the nice things about the trading community is that most people are courteous, nice, polite. Most people support each other because we all realize we're all on the same team. Let's go over my calls. I said that Thursday's pattern was negative unless we invalidated it by gapping up. Lower prices should print, which they did. Friday's pattern is actually positive, and unless we invalidate it, I expect to see higher prices Monday. Invalidating it will be gapping down sharply, ideally taking out this low, which happens to be at a support level. We had a MEJT target, turned out to print today, and there was a significant resistance level called well in advance. There's a new target, most likely to print Monday, 2627.72. Unless we invalidate it by gapping down sharply, that's my call. We have a date coming up for a change in trend. There's every reason to believe this could be a significant low. Let's remember earlier in the week we had a strong rally. There were a number of important lows during the rally. And even though we traded under them, here's the close. We couldn't close under them. So it's a failure of the bears to seal the deal. Here's the MEJT system calls. Here's the buy signal. We got the rally. Said it wouldn't stick. It now says this drop is false and won't stick. Let's remember where we are in the pattern. Here's your 200-day moving average. Here's your TDST line support. Here's your demarc buy signal. We have a strong drop to, but not through, multiple support levels. And the rule is, unless it says you either gap under support Monday or support wins. The one thing we had been missing in this drop is an increase in the volume, even though the volume isn't as high as I would like. It did increase from these prior drops, and even though volume was up, and even though we traded under prior significant lows, this higher line is the close. After taking out these lows, we couldn't close under them. So once again, it's a failure of the bears to seal the deal. They have to maintain this by keeping it at Monday's open. I am changing the wave count. This was the old count. It's not the only valid count. I don't think that wave blue 3 is going to start. I think this wave is 5 waves down, completing a pattern. I've changed the count so that wave 3 ends here. And this whole thing is an ABC for the fourth wave. If you look at wave 3, you'll see how wave 4 is a 50% retracement of wave 3. You can get an ABC here for A with Fibonacci ratios, B, and then your C, and you'll see how C is 1.618 of A. If this is wave 5, and it's quite easy to count 5 waves down, wave 5 would be 50% of wave 3. Would be 38.2% of waves 1 through 3. Now I think instead of wave 1 and 2 and 3, it's more likely an ABC. Here's why. Let's say that's A and that's B. If wave C were equal to A, which would happen at 2461, you get some very interesting ratios. You could see how wave 5 would be a Fibonacci ratio of wave A. You could see how waves 1 through 3 are a Fibonacci ratio of wave A. You could see how the wave 4 here would be in the 38.2 to 61.8 range of this pattern. It would probably be the end of blue 1 of wave red C. So let's go over the long-term pattern, see what I think's going on. The general idea is that we're in the fourth wave. That wave C should be 261.8% of A, and if that's true, this will eventually bottom out around 2023. That would make the fourth wave look a lot more like a fourth wave than it does now. If that's true, I'm now saying we're going to have an ABC instead of a 1, 2, 3, and we're going to set C equal to A, and that's, if I did this right, should be around 2461. And that'll complete blue A. Now, you'd like blue C to have some relationship to blue A. So if that's A, and if C is 161.8% of A would end here, 2461. If this is C, then B would be up here at 2690. So you have your ABC, the 2461, bottom here, rally to 2690, and have a drop all the way down to 2023, which would give blue C a fib relationship to blue A. And the beautiful thing about the pattern is if that's what happens, wave B will be right at the 78.6% of the whole move. It's a beautiful thing. So, we're looking for this to be a low, right in terms with our time. We're looking for a rally. This will be 1 or A, I guess it could be a rally with this, like, and then another drop taking us down to 2461. Monday's pattern should be positive unless we invalidate it by capping down, promptly taking out this low. This is all the marks of a panic sell-off. I don't see retail customers coming in to buy late on Friday in a move like this, especially invalidating the move below these prior lows. All we have to do is hold this Monday for a good rally, and that's today's call.